Hey there, Whitney here, GM and daughter with Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating and Cooling, Inc. to talk about common toilet problems. At some point, every homeowner ends up dealing with a toilet repair. At Pipe Wrench, we take care of everything from minor issues to major toilet repairs and replacements like the following: clogged toilets, damaged and broken toilets toilet flanges, leaky toilets, toilets that run constantly, and urinal repair and replacement. Having an experienced plumber handle your toilet issues is so important as it can potentially save you time and money on corrective repairs or possible damage cost. At Pipe Wrench, we have been helping homeowners in the greater Knoxville area with plumbing, specifically toilet issues, for over 20 years, and we've been voted Knoxville's best plumber every year since 2017 in the Knoxville News Sentinel's Knox Star polls. If you're in need of toilet repairs and you lack the time, knowledge, or tools to address the problem yourself, we're here for you. If you're located in the Knoxville, Maryville, Oak Ridge, or Lenoir City areas, just give us a call.
Call 865-583-3957, or you can book online at pipewrench.com.
And remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive useful homeowner tips. Thanks for watching and have a great day.